Waking up every day struggling, man. Why I gotta struggle? I'ma tell y'all my life, man. Bar for bar. That's all I can do. Why you made?
See, my struggle is real, that's why I get what I get. But it's a lot of things that happen I wish I could forget. Remember when I was broke? Damn, I didn't have shit. I used to walk everywhere, cause I ain't had no whip. I'm trying to skate through life and pray to God I won't slip. But I realize times is hard when you live in the sip. And you got people that hate you and wanna see you quit. They tryna stop a nigga shine like a solar eclipse. But if a nigga try to stop me, I'ma empty the clip and then go straight to the booth. Yeah, that's my Lazarus pit. And then I step to the mic, and then you know I'ma spit. Flow till y'all feel my pain and know it's legit. See, these niggas tryna ball just to say they the shit. But if my niggas wanna score, then I take the assist. But if they give me one shot, then you know I won't miss. Cause when it come to making music, boy, I'm clutch with this shit. See, I remember I was starving, I could've finessed with a brick. But I tried to show my nephews a better way out this shit. I tried to show them that even though we living in hell, that there's no sacrifice that's worth being dead or in jail. Man, the struggle is real, I'm trying to get out the field. Man, the struggle is real, and all I want is a deal. Man, do you know how I feel to be out chasing these meals? Man, the struggle is real, man, the struggle is real. See, my struggle is real, I'm trying to get out the field. Man, my struggle is real, and all I want is a deal. Man, do you know how I feel to be out chasing these meals? Man, my struggle is real. See, my struggle is real. Feel like I'm losing my head, I mean I'm losing my mind. Cause all I'm focused on getting bread, so I hustle and grind. I told my mama by 26 her son was gon' shine, and I'ma conquer the world while I'm still in my prime. See, I'm always pushing forward, no more looking behind. And if the devil step out of place, I'ma put him in line. I mean put him in check, won't sell my soul for no check. Even though that shit is tempting, dog, what can you expect? Me to sell out for fame and hurt the ones I neglect. Now I'ma live with my conscience and I'ma die with respect. I thank the Lord every day for waking me up, man, I'm blessed. Even though this life I'm living, dog, is nothing but stress. See, the struggle is real, I'm trying to get out the...
Okay, so I was trying to find a way to get my camera into the shower with the mini tripod that I have. I don't have a bigger one yet. Yeah, I couldn't do it, fam. I tried setting it up on something and the camera was gonna fall, and I can't be about that life right now. So I'm just showing you that this is my tangling brush called a Tangle Tamer, the Max one. I got it from Sally's. So I have my hair in 4 sections. What I usually do is let the water run on my hair just a bit, just dampen it a bit, and then I just brush it on through. If I feel like I got a tough tangle, I pretty much put it under the shower head while it's running, and I just finish going through until it's smooth. And once that's smoothed out, I pretty much just pull it back up, or I twist it up, whatever, and move on to my next section. Basically, I do that until I finish rinsing all the conditioner out, and then my hair is completely detangled. And it's nothing special after that, because all I do is put in my leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna do my base, so I'm just gonna use up my L Organics pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. Y'all can see that. I don't know if you guys have ever used this. I love this because I'm low porosity, so it's very moisturizing. Shout out to Kimberly on here. She's a natural hair guru, and she basically proposed the idea of you having low porosity hair. Do it in the shower while your shower is running and it's warm and stuff, so your cuticles on your hair still be open up. Yeah, so once I finish with that, all I'm gonna do is just use this extreme wet line gel. Also, I use this little spray bottle. It's like one of those little mist sprayers. I usually fill this up with like really warm to hot water just because it's just misted. So when it comes out, it's gonna already be cooled down because it's flying in the air. So yeah, I don't know. I might have said that, it might sound a little confusing, but I think y'all get what I mean. So that's where we're at right now. See y'all when I get out the shower.
See, the struggle is real, and all I want is a deal. Man, do you know how I feel to be out chasing these meals? See, the struggle is real, yeah, the struggle is real. See, my struggle is real, I'm trying to get out the field. See, my struggle is real, and all I want is a deal. Man, do you know how I feel to be out chasing these meals? See, my struggle is real, yeah, my struggle is real. And all I want is a deal. I'm out here chasing this million.
Drum dummy, drum dummy, drum dummy, drum dummy, drum dummy.
See, my struggle is real.